Hey everyone, it's Paul Watts here, and if you are thinking of chopping your hair but want something that actually works across textures, straight, wavy, curly, then you're in the right place. Today we're diving into 7 short bob haircuts with a fringe that are not just cute, but quick and easy to style. Let's go! Style number 1 is the chin grazing bob with wispy bangs. This is a jaw skimming length bob paired with wispy feathered bangs. Why it works? The length just hits right at the chin so you get structure, and that wispy fringe adds softness. Great for the fine hair because you're not going ultra short, and the fringe adds that little personality. If you're going straight or slightly wavy, brush under the ends for that sleek flip. Add a bit of texture spray and the fringe to keep a soft and lived in look. Number 2 is the French bob with a short full fringe. This one is an absolute banger. This one's got Parisian vibes. Think chin or just above, slightly curved under, and a full fringe that just hits around the eyebrows or just above, according to the stylist, but also you. The French bob is timeless and it suits many face shapes. It's especially ideal if you want something chic but low fuss. Style blow dry with a round brush, curve the ends in, fringe straight or with a slight blend and bend, finish with a light shine serum. Style number 3 that I'm going to treat you with is the blunt bob plus the ever so popular curtain and side bangs. Go bold, sharp, blunt ends that just hit the jaw just below, and style your fringe as a curtain bangs, slightly parted or just side swept. The blunt edges give structure, the fringe adds movement. What works best is if you have straight or wavy hair, use a flat iron on the ends if you need it and sweep that fringe over using a medium barrel brush. Number 4 is the textured layer bob with bangs. For this you need thick or heavy. For hair that's thick or heavy, layering is your friend. So a bob cut with light layers paired with a full or side bangs gives shape and movement. The layers remove bulk, the bangs bring attention to your eyes. You might use a matte texture paste or sea salt spray to enhance the layers according to many stylists, plus myself. Layers in the fringe equal extra dimension for thicker hair. Style number 5 is the short bob for curly and wavy, plus we're going to add a fringe. Short bobs aren't just for straight hair. If you've got natural waves or curls, go for a bob that's slightly longer in the front. Think A-line. Shorter in the back and pair it with a fringe that's either full or piecey. Use a curl enhancing cream and diffuse to maintain natural texture. Bonus, the fringe draws attention to your face. The bob gives you shape. Style number 6 is the inverted bob with eye skimming fringe. A little edgier, I suppose. An inverted cut, shorter in the back, longer towards the front, and a fringe that just brushes the eyebrows. This creates a dramatic silhouette and a real modern feel. Good if you're feeling very confident and want something stand out. Style by blow drying with a paddle brush, focusing to curve it just under, then sweep the fringe. Keep it sleek, that emphasises the shape. Number 7 is the micro bob with baby bangs. This is for someone who is super confident. This is for the bold as well. A very short bob, maybe ear length or just below. With a super short baby fringe, this is a high fashion, full of attitude look. If you've got the confidence and face shape for it, this cut screams, I'm here. Style simply, just let the fringe sit naturally. You might use a little bit of pomade in there to keep it in place. This is for fine hair, but it also keeps the hair blunt to avoid disproportion. Don't know. So there you have it. 7 bob plus fringe haircuts that work for all textures, all vibes, and most importantly, don't require hours of styling every morning. You want to choose the length because of your comfort and shape. Pick a fringe style that matches your face and personality. So have the inverted bob with a little baby bang. Be different. But you also want to tailor texture, so blunt versus layered, just to your hair type, because you want something that's going to really work for you. It's going to be quite easy to maintain. And use the right tools and products to keep it in shape, because you want it to be quite effortless and not have to overdo it. But if you liked this video, please hit the like button. Drop a comment telling me which style you fancy having and giving a go. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more hair inspiration. Also, if you've got a photo of your current haircut, I'd love to see it. You can go over to Instagram and send me it there. paulwatts.education. I'll pick a few to give a quick candid review. Is that cool? Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Until then, stay bold, stay you, and maybe get that fringe.